Since we are installing king size bricks and then I wanted to show you how to do everything, we decided to put some king size brick on the back and the side of an old repurposed cabinet, just for the sake of learning how to interlock your corners. Without the corner piece, we are interlocking each end. One interlocks this way and the other one is going to be interlocking the opposite way. In order to know your bond, I'm gonna run one course all the way to the end. As you can see, I laid out my course, and then this is gonna be a little bit smaller piece than the half, but I cannot squeeze my joints anymore. This is the head joint, this is the bed joint, so you're gonna have to keep it somewhat around the 3/8 half inch in thickness. But I'm gonna put a little half and then I'm gonna interlock just as on the other side. Okay, so as you can see, I put the whole piece, half, and all you have to do is interlock it. This one is going this way, this one is just gonna butt to the other one. So you're gonna see the joint on this side and you're gonna see the joint on that side. But once you are grouting this and then you overgrout a little bit, you won't even see that this is not full corners. And you can save money just by doing this. This is also good on doorways, arches, and areas where you have very small columns and you don't have very close interlocking joints when you are putting the corners. Instead, you just use the flats, and then just cut it and interlock the corners. See, you can put the whole bricks, half bricks, whole bricks, half bricks, but one is right here and the other one is right on the other side, and then just interlock the two. Looks beautiful like that, without the corners. You don't even see if there is a corner or not. After you grout, it's gonna be perfect.